Hello and welcome to today's video where we're looking at a Xenta full-size keyboard with USB interface, cable length 1.5 meters and numbered keypad and arrow keys. Let's check the back of this box, and this is actually, if you look at the address for this, it's Xenta Technologies, East Yorkshire. It's actually somebody's house number, and I think it's actually something to do with eBuyer, their own make, because their address is rather close to this. And I don't think I've ever seen these products anywhere else apart from on eBuyer's website and maybe second hand on eBay. But okay, because I have some light, video lights actually made by these, and they seem to be okay, even if they're just rebranded with this name. They seem to work okay. And what we have here is a standard keyboard, which is available from eBay. I think it was about £3.98. Say £4. So this is model MT-K201. I'm not sure if anybody else makes these with that model number, but you can always check. The cables are rather thin, not very good plastic, good quality plastic cable. USB seems rather okay. That won't break inside your computer. But this cable is rather thin for what it is. We'll stand this up and see what it's like. It's rather squidgy. I can feel the plastic moving when I'm doing this. I suppose it would be okay for like a replacement keyboard if you're just looking for something cheap, not after an RGB gaming keyboard, just something you can type with, but it is rather cheap. It's usable, not that I really want to use this for long, but it seems to be my keyboard for typing, because I use a RGB keyboard, which you can actually find on my video list. I think it's the first video you can find on the list if you just scroll down the videos. And it's actually better for typing with, if I can actually get this out. This is what I use for my video editing at the minute, and sometimes these keys don't actually connect when I'm typing. I'm not sure what it is. Maybe they're just a bit like, they have a mechanical feel, and they don't, for some reason they don't seem to fully connect. I'm not too sure, but these ones feel softer to write with. These ones are rather hard, and you're going to have to like press down when you're typing with these. So that's the Xenta full-size keyboard, and if you like this video, please check back for more videos coming soon.